Fireless cooking activity. I am going to make carrot laddus. The ingredients for the carrot laddu are carrot, cashew nuts, sugar and coconut powder. First take a bowl and add carrot, sugar, coconut powder, mix well. In this mixture, I have added 2 spoons of coconut powder and 4 spoons of sugar and 1 grated carrot. See how I am going to make a carrot laddu. Take handful of carrot mixture and press it smoothly. See, the carrot laddus are ready. I am going to decorate them with cashew nuts. See the yummy